How to use formulas in Monday.com. So hello guys and welcome back in today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to utilize your formulas. So formulas are something that you will be able to find in your columns. So if you search formulas over here, you will be able to see this. Now, it is very important that you only use formulas when you have a value. And over here, this will give you an understanding or give you an idea on what types of value you're dealing with. So over here, we have a basic function over here. There's a lot of different values or functions over here with different functionalities. It's very easy to understand those though because the function has a formula over here or like a description or the title. So let's use a very simple one. So let's use if. Now, the example over here gives us an idea on how it works. It should give you an idea on how you will be able to utilize it. And over here, I could select under my column deal amount. Since I have created that column with a value over here. Depending on the function that you choose, you might need to have a value to be able to utilize that. You could also use or utilize some constants over here. But anyway, with this one, I want this to be, if it's bigger than 100, I want it to be classified as big deal or small deal. There we go. And click on set formula. Now, if the deal amount over here is greater than 100, it's going to be classified as a big deal. But if it's classified or it's lower than 100, it's going to be classified as a small deal. Now, this depends on the formula that you're using. And there's a lot of formulas here. So use them depending on what you need it for. And you can even ask AI or ChatGPT with this. Just give them what you want or what output do you want, and you will be able to get something. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.